Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Here we have one problem, that is x plus y is equal to 8 and x times y is equal to 64. So in this problem we need to find the values of x and y. So how do we solve this problem? Let's see. So here we have given two equations. So one is x plus y is equal to 8. So from this equation we can write y is equal to 8 minus x. So take this second equation. So let us consider this is equation 1 and this is equation 2. So let us consider this is equation 3. So now take this equation 2. So in this equation, just substitute the value of a value of y in this equation. So now it will be 8 minus x is equal to 64. So now multiply these two terms. So now it will be x times 8 which is equal to 8x, and x times x square is equal to 64. So move this term to the left side. Now it will be minus x square, so plus 8x minus 64 is equal to 0. So now divided by minus 1 on both sides. Now it will be x square minus 8x plus 64 is equal to 0. So now you can see here this is a quadratic equation. So this is in a form of quadratic standard form. So now here we can apply quadratic equation. X is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Now write the values of a, b, c here. So a is equal to 1 and b is equal to minus 8 and c is equal to 64. So now just substitute the values of a, b, c in this equation, then we will get x value. X is equal to, so here value of b is minus 8. So minus 8 plus or minus square root of, so minus 8 square minus 4. So here a value is 1 and c value is 64. So divided by 2, a value is 1. X is equal to minus minus, it will become positive. So plus 8 plus or minus square root of 8 square which is equal to 64. So minus, so here 4 times 64 which is equal to 56. So divided by 2. So x is equal to 8 plus or minus square root of, so 64 minus 256 which is equal to minus 192. So divided by 2. So here x is equal to 8 plus or minus, so we can write this square root of 192 square root of minus 1. So here square root of minus 1 is equal to imaginary value. So in place of square root of minus 1 we can write I divided by 2. So x is equal to 8 plus or minus, so square root of 192 we can write this 64 times 3. So here square root of minus 1 is equal to I divided by 2. X is equal to 8 plus or minus, so square root of 64 which is equal to 8. So 8 squares is equal to 64. So 8 square root of 3 I divided by 2. So now, so in this terms we can take out 2 as a common. So now 2 times 4 8 plus or minus 2 times 4 8 square root of 3 I divided by 2. So 2 both are get cancelled. X is equal to 4 plus or minus 4 square root of 3 I. So this is the value of x. Now split this solution as two parts. One is x1 is equal to 4 plus 4 square root of 3i, and other one is x2 is equal 4 minus 4 square root of 3i. So here we got x values. So now we need to find the value of y. So y is equal, so to find the value of y, we are taking this equation third. So y is equal to 8 minus x. So in this equation we need to substitute the value of x. So y is equal to 8 minus 4 plus 4 square root of 3i. And now y is equal to 8. So minus 4 minus plus, it will become minus. So 4 square root of 3i. So y is equal to 8 minus 4, which is equal to 4 minus 4 square root of 3. So this is the value of y. So coming to this equation, y is equal to 8 minus x. So just substitute the value of x in this equation. Y is equal, so this is y1 and this is y2. So 8 minus, so 4 minus 4 square root of 3i. So y2 is equal 8 minus 4 minus minus, it will become positive, 4 square root of 3i. So y2 is equal 8 minus 4, which is equal 4 plus 4 square root of 3i. So here we got y1 and y2 values. So just write here x1 comma y1 is equal 4 plus 4 square root of 3i, comma, so here y1 value is 4 minus 4 square root of 3i. So x2 y2 is equal, so x2 value is 4 minus 4 square root of 3i, and y2 value is 4 plus 4 square root of 3i. So now let's verify is this values right or not. So let's verify with this first values. So x1 is equal 4 plus 4 square root of 3i, and y1 is equal 4 minus 4 square root of 3i. So with these values we are going to verify these equations. So x plus y is equal, so first equation is x plus y is equal to 8, and second equation is x times y is equal to 64. So first verify with this first equation, x plus y is equal to 8. So now right, so substitute the value of x and y in this equation. So 4 plus 4 square root of 3i plus, so 4 minus 4 square root of 3i is equal to 8. So here plus square root of 3i minus 4 square root of 3i, both are get cancelled. So 4 plus 4 is equal to 8, and 4 plus 4 8. So this is true. So now coming to second equation. So x times y is equal to 64. So substitute the value of values of x and y in this equation. So x value is 4 plus 4 square root of 3i, and y value is 4 minus 4 square root of 3i is equal to 64. So now this is in a form of a plus b times a minus b. So here a plus b times a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. So this is the formula. So use this formula, here we can write, so a square minus b square, right? So use this formula, here we can write, so a value is 4 and b value is 4 square root of 3i. So 4 square minus 4 square root of 3i square is equal to 64. So now 4 square which is equal to 16 minus, so 4 square which is equal to 16. So square root get cancelled. Now it will be 3. So here I square. So I square is equal minus 1, because square root of minus 1 is equal to I. So from this equation we will get this value. I square is equal to minus 1. So in place of I square we will write minus 1 is equal to 64. So 16, so minus minus it will become positive. So 16 times 3 which is equal to 48 is equal to 64. So 16 plus 48 which is equal to 64 is equal to 64. So this is also satisfied with these values. Thank you for watching. So these are the x and y values. So thank you for watching.